Okay, so on the homework, there are a lot of calculating the mean and the standard deviation of probability distribution. So I wanted to talk about this in and do a little Excel thing, so that way you can use Excel for particularly the standard deviation. So of the probability distribution. Here's a probability distribution from your homework. This is number 6. So let me go ahead and calculate the mean. So if I want to calculate the mean, or the expected value of this probability distribution, then I need to multiply the x times the p of x. So in other words, I need to multiply, why is that big? I don't know. I need to multiply this column by this column and every single one of them. So this, I want to do this in Excel, so equals this times this. Hit enter, there's the multiplication, pull this down. So this is this times this every single time over here. Excuse me. And to find the mean, or the expected value, we just go to, we add it up. So I can hit equals sum, or I can hit the sum formula that sometimes comes up if it's big enough. Sum here, and pull this down, and we're going to sum all these. And there's my mean of my distribution. I can check it. So, and so I come over here, oops, and enter it, round to 3 decimal places. I don't have enough decimal places here, so let me make this bigger. I'm going to pull this out so I have 3 decimals. That's rounding to 3 decimals. Excel does it for me. So I guess I really just needed 1.44. Then we hit check. Woohoo, got the green check. I don't know if you can see it there. So part 2, find the standard deviation. So standard deviation now, I want to take the mean. So for every single one of them, I want to first go x minus the mu, the mean. So, and there's the mean of 1.4. So in here, I'm going to go equals to the x minus the mean, but I'm not going to select that because it'll change it. But the mean stays the same no matter what. So I'm going to type in 1.44 in this case. That's my mean. So hit equals to, and I pull it down. And then there's my x minus my mu each time. And I could square it right there automatically, but let's square it now. So we're doing x minus mu all squared, which that symbol means squared. So I'm going to take this form, this cell, and I'm going to square it. So use my caret symbol, which is right above the 6 on the keyboard, and square it. Enter equals to, enter, and then pull that formula down. There's everything squared. The last step would to be multiply this by my p of x. So multiply by p of x for each of them. So equals this times my p of x. Enter. Pull that down. There's all of those. And the last step is to sum them all up. And this will be my variance. Sum up all these numbers. There's my variance, but I wanted the standard deviation, so what do I do to this previous thing? Is I square root it. So equals square root of this cell, and enter. And there's my standard deviation, rounded to 3 decimal places, is 5792. Check, check, done. All right, hope you enjoy this. Have fun.